All right, now that we did a deep dive on stress, now let's focus in on a specific topic, and that is mental health first aid. It's a relatively new and upcoming topic, and sometimes first aid isn't just a bandage, the Heimlich maneuver, or just calling 911. Sometimes the first aid is you. So let's dive in and find out. So what exactly is mental health first aid? Just like physical first aid, mental health first aid, or MHFA for short, is the help provided to a person experiencing a mental health issue. The goal is to provide quick initial support and connect them to appropriate professional help. So why is MHFA important? Almost half of all adults in the United States will experience a mental health challenge during their lifetime. Mental health first aid teaches you 3 important things. 1. Recognize the signs of mental health issues. 2. Respond appropriately, and more importantly. 3. Reduce the stigma associated with these challenges. MHFA can be used to support people experiencing many mental health issues such as depression. Symptoms include sadness you can't shake off, loss of interest in activities, and changes in appetite or sleep. Anxiety. Signs include excessive worry, restlessness, and physical symptoms like a racing heart. Panic attacks, characterized by sudden, intense fear, palpitations, sweating, and shortness of breath. Psychosis. Symptoms include hallucinations, delusions, and severe disturbances in thinking and behavior. MHFA can be summarized as an action plan known as ALGEE, A-L-G-E-E. The first in the acronym is A, assess the risk of harm or suicide. So ask questions like, how are you feeling? Or is there any way I can help? Look for warning signs such as withdrawal, mood swings, or verbal hints about any suicide. Listen non-judgmentally. Give your full attention, maintain eye contact, and avoid interrupting. Use phrases like, I'm here to listen, tell me more about what you're going through, to show that you care and are present. Give reassurance and information. Offer factual information about mental health issues. You might say, many people experience this, and there are ways to get through it. Or, you're not alone in this, there is help available, to provide and just normalize their feelings. E. Encourage appropriate professional help. Suggest seeing a mental health professional, such as a therapist or a counselor. You can say, talking to a therapist can really help. Would you be open to finding one together? Or, there are professionals who can help you through this. Let's explore some options. E. Encourage self-help. Recommend healthy coping strategies like exercise, relaxation techniques, and peer support groups. Say something like, have you tried practicing mindfulness meditation? Or connecting with others who understand can be very helpful. Do you want to consider joining a support group? So for context, I got certified in mental health first aid, and you can get certified too. There are 3 main benefits to being trained in MHFA. The first is early intervention. Learn to identify mental health problems in people around you early and connecting them to the help they need before things escalate. Support networks. It builds a supportive community where individuals feel safe to discuss their mental health challenges. Empowerment. It empowers you with the knowledge and confidence to assist someone in need. If you're interested in getting trained, search online for training sessions near you. I got trained, I live in the Bay Area, so I got trained in Oakland, California, in a program called MISA, which stands for Medical Immersion Summer Academy. But remember that self-care is important. Prioritize your own mental health to set an example and ensure you are in the best position to help others. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that the brain and the heart are more connected than you might think? Studies show that mental health has a significant impact on your heart health and vice versa. Taking care of your mind helps your heart too. That's a fun fact and a deep dive into mental health first aid. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and thanks for watching. See you next time.